Okay, YouTube, I just wanted to get something out there, kind of a progress status update on some of the modifications I've done to the GR86. So my first couple videos, I mean, it took me a couple months to get out and actually on the interwebs, but there's been some changes since that came out, and then just kind of going to go over some of the differences and some of the plans I still have going forward, so some of the things you can look forward to. But again, I'm new at hosting, so I apologize if I ramble or this is unedited or I don't have the fancy intro or anything like that. But yeah, so one of the things that I've done, clear side marker, right? So that's a pretty quick update. I do have a plan for this to make this even more more better. Yeah, I'm gonna make it more better. So look for that. I have a customization I'm gonna do on this. The wheels, now the wheel setup. There's been a lot of discussion about wheels. I like my wheels. They are NT05s, Nitto NT05 tires. And I really do like the rims as well. So I'll go over that in detail in another video as well. Obviously the tint, I'm gonna have to have the tint redone. There's been some issues with it. But for now, you can't really tell, so yay. Then we have the blackout going on the tail lights. Now, this I'm kind of disappointed with how the side marker came out. Just, it doesn't seem as dark as the back. And I'm still gonna make a video about blackening the C out on that. Something else that's been done. Ooh, the red glowy interior of Evil for the trunk. I'm also going to black out this guy and the reverse tail lights on the bottom. Let's see what else. Oh, I did get the GR shift knob. Helps if you can see where I'm pointing. Also, this is I put 5,000 miles on this car. Driven it a lot. Even took it to the track. Willow Springs. So I've got some information and feedback on that. I noticed that there's an LED kit out there. So this is the kind of, let me back up a little. This is the kind of stock, and this is LED. However, the LED kit that's out there is like $350, and this is not from that. So I'll go over where I got that. Obviously, the dash cam. Let's see what else. Oh, the shift knob. I was going to show you the shift knob. So it's the GR shift knob, and I have a review and feedback on that now that it's been quite some time with it. I actually threw the stock shift knob back on for half a second and took it back off again. So I'm sticking with the GR shift knob. I do like it better. Also, as you can see over there, we have the Catback for the Camry. We did install a Catback. I'll tell you exactly what Catback we installed again in another video, because all of it's recorded, all of it's done. I have to edit it and sift through it. And that's just proving to be a little more cumbersome for me than I originally thought it would. So my apologies for that. My apologies for the bad videos and trying to get everything squared away, because I have a lot of plans for this car and I want to take you guys along the ride with me, because there's just so much I'm going to do to it. Just so much, and I can't wait. And I'm excited to share. And really, that's all I'm doing with this channel is, just sharing what my feedback is and what I want to do to my car, and, just how much I love this GR86. A lot more people are able to get their hands on it these days, so that's cool. This is the Raven Black. I don't know if I ever mentioned just how cool this paint job is. She is dirty as all can be, so gotta fix that. But anyway, so I just wanted to share with you guys, there's more content coming. A lot of mods have already been done and recorded. I just need to get it out there for you guys and kind of share that with you. And then on a side note, something else that's happening today is Gran Turismo 7 is coming out. And so I'm gonna go pick up Gran Turismo 7 for the PS5 and my my nice kind of simulation setup that I got. Let's see. I probably have chores to do first because the house is a mess. But yeah, so there's my little simulation setup. This steering wheel, this True Force one, was like the new, latest, greatest model. And then we have the big PS5 with the big TV. Yay. So, in any case, thanks again. Talk to you guys soon and let you know exactly what's going on with the GR86 because, oops, gonna have to blur that out. Because it's awesome. It's an awesome car. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, 5,000 miles. Got to give it an oil change and brakes. So for those of you wondering, really quick, I hope you're still around. I haven't lost you guys yet. For the brakes, these are factory brakes, and I said, like I said, I took it out on the track. I'm starting to feel the brake wear now, just in my daily driving around. So 5,000 miles with, you know, some heavy tracking, and the brake pads feel like they're ready to be changed out. So I'll be doing that as well as the oil change. You know, not a big deal, you know, easy things to do maintenance wise. So yeah, look for that as well. Also going to check on the Catback, make sure that, you know, everything's fitted there. Cool. Well, thanks again, guys. And like and subscribe if you want to get notified when these videos finally roll out, because I got a bunch of them, just got to get them out. So, thanks. Or wait, we're gonna do some kind of outro, yeah? Thanks. I don't like it. I don't like my face.